All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built 3 profitable income streams and how you can go out there and create a similar income stream for yourself as well. So let's dive right in. So income stream number 1 is, of course, affiliate marketing. What do I teach in this channel or on this channel on almost every video, right? I'm teaching you strategies that you can go out there and start selling other people's products to make a commission. You don't have to create the products. You don't even have to really do any selling, because all you need to do is send traffic to a landing page or a sales page, which the vendor or product creator already spent a bunch of money to create the product and the sales page and the sales copy and all that stuff. It's their job to convert on that page. All that your job as an affiliate marketer is to send traffic to quality products and then let the rest take care of itself. Even when it comes to customer service and helping out or customer support tickets or anything like that, you don't have to worry about any of those, because you didn't create the product and you don't have to worry about customer support or customer service. All you're doing is recommending the best products that you can, getting traffic to those sales pages, those landing pages, and then a certain percentage of it just ends up being a mathematical numbers game. A certain percentage of people will then convert into a paid member, okay? So with this income stream 1, it's affiliate marketing. I've bundled up most of the affiliate income that I've made in 2024, right? So we're just started February of 2025. So, we've finished up finalizing our accounting and things like that in our business and our online business for 2024. And in 2024, I made over $100,000 with just affiliate marketing, selling other people's products. And this came from AppSumo, right? Like I have another channel. I'm going to show you that one in just a second, but where I sell or promote lifetime deal softwares from a platform called AppSumo. And so basically they'll come out with products and they have vendors that will be listing their products on their site. I go out and I'll do just a software review, post it on my YouTube channel, and then people will go watch the video. They'll click my link in the description, and then they'll go on, and a certain number of them, like I said, will go on to purchase the software, and then AppSumo pays me a commission. It works like this with everything else as well. If you go watch my last video, I show you some income proof and screenshots of where all this income comes from. But essentially, the next one is direct affiliate for software. So essentially, if I go and find a piece of software, and then I go and see if they have a partner or affiliate program, I sign up, I have a unique affiliate link that I can go and now do tutorials of that software and then send people directly to their software sales page. And if people convert, then I make a commission as well. So there's different layers. Like you can go to a marketplace, which would be like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or AppSumo. Those are like marketplaces where there's hundreds of products on those platforms that you could go and promote a bunch of different products and then just get one check from AppSumo, one check from Warrior Plus, and one check from JVZoo. Whereas the direct affiliate software, if I have 10 pieces of software and I'm an affiliate for those guys, I would get 10 different payments from like PayPal, right? I do having the marketplace payments, because you can build it up into a substantial income and only get a couple payments, and they're larger payments, right? Whereas being a direct affiliate with a software company or a product or something like that, they're going to send you a payment once a month, and you just have a bunch of those coming in, right? And so that's what my PayPal account is primarily used for, is vendors just paying me all month. And those are the most of the ways that I make money with affiliate marketing. And as I just explained it to you, it's extremely a simple, almost overly simplified process that people just like, for whatever reason, to overcomplicate. It's not a hard thing. You literally make a video, you put an affiliate link in the description, and then that's it. People click on the affiliate link and they go and buy. It's the most simple strategy to make money online that I've ever used or seen. Here's where it's not, now, don't take it the wrong way. I said it's a simple process, but I did not say that it's easy. And there's a distinction between the two, and we want to make sure that we get that right. It's not push button easy, because if it was easy, everybody would be working full-time from home, living out their dream lifestyle, and maybe making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, or even millions of dollars per year. Where people get it wrong is that it's not easy. And why it's not easy is that you actually do have to work. You actually have to create videos and go out there and be consistent and build a real business. If you go out there and you build a restaurant business, or you go out there and build any kind of brick and mortar business, a retail store business, e-commerce shop on Shopify, it's all going to require capital to start up. So you're going to spend a lot of money to start up a business. It's going to require time and effort. It's not handed to you, right? And so we have to work for what we get. We have to put in work to get a result. And if we don't take action, then we can't get the result. And that's where people get it wrong. So don't take it the wrong way. It is a simple process, but it is not easy. So income stream number 2 was my Skool community, right? So I had a Skool community. It made about $30,000 in 2024. That was a new income stream that I added to the mix and added to my portfolio of revenue streams. And this isn't all my revenue streams, but I wanted to just put 3 big ones out there for you. So the Skool community was great. If you're interested in joining and learning all about this affiliate marketing and YouTube and how I've made $500,000, I can teach you how to do that very specifically with courses, with a community of people that are like you, that want to get out of their 9-to-5 hustle, and they want to build a sustainable, real online business. And so that is what, if you click the first link below, you'll be able to go to this page right here, learn a little bit more about it, learn what I have to offer. If you do decide to join, and we have all kinds of people getting great results inside of the community. And if you do decide to join, I've actually added in some bonuses, and you'll be able to see right over here. You'll get small YouTube, big profits right over here. This is actually one of the first courses that I made a few years back. And it was basically a case study and journey of over-the-shoulder training on exactly what I did to make $13,000 in my first 6 months on YouTube. I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers. I didn't have 4,000 watch time hours. So it wasn't from YouTube monetization. And so I show you how I was able to make thousands of dollars from my YouTube channel. A really awesome course right there. And then PLR Profits Academy right over here, a 2.5-hour course showing you how you can use private label rights, digital products, in order to go out there and build a business and make money from as well. So you get those bonuses if you do end up deciding to join for just $27. The price is insane. You get on group coaching calls with me. You get all these courses and everything. I have courses that sell for more than $27. You get all the access, all the goodies for just $27. It's pretty dang cool. This is that community, though, that I was talking about. And so here's the community. We can come in here and you can see just new stuff. One of them that's really cool that one of our members shared was that they basically had created 2 YouTube channels. And within just the last few weeks, they created a brand new channel. And you can just see, like, this one was the one that they've been working on for a really long time over the last year. And it's just getting about 13,000 views. You can see that's very just stagnant, right? It's plateaued. But then you can come over here and see a brand new channel that they just created this 3 weeks ago, and you can see right over here the hockey stick growth right over here. They've found their niche, right? And those are the kind of things that we get while we're inside of this community. So we share the results that we're getting. Really cool stuff. And I've shared that. So here's some income proof right over here, and you can see that these are all like the affiliate. I didn't add in some of this stuff. So there's stuff on here that I'm not adding into this report, but no one shows you their accounting software and shows you the actual money that really comes into their business from this. But I grouped most of these affiliate stuff like Warrior Plus and software affiliate commissions right there, Impact affiliate commissions, JVZoo affiliate commissions. You can see we have all kinds of stuff over here, and just group that in. And that's the bulk of what I make. But then here's that Skool, and you can see that it's 23,000 right there, but about 5,000 to 6,000 of that actually came outside of the Skool platform, where I offered before Skool came out with the ability to offer annual like subscriptions, right? People, if you go and sign up to Six Figure Freedom Club, you're going to get a discount. If you buy a year pass, I think it's $240. You're going to get your price of that down to $20 a month or something like that. So if you want to save extra money, then just buy the annual, right? But at the time, about 8 months ago, they didn't have that ability. So I had to use a third-party software to order that as an option for people to buy the annual pass to Six Figure Freedom Club. And so a lot of people took me up on that. So that was another like $6,000. So there's the $30,000 that we made from our Skool community, right? And then what did we get for income stream number 3? This is the YouTube Partner Program. I made $10,000, almost $10,000 in 2024 from basically one channel. Let me go and show you that channel real quick. So we come over here and I'm inside of my dashboard. I'm just going to go over here to analytics, and then we'll come over here and we'll go and click on lifetime. Oh no, we don't want to look at the lifetime actually, which is almost 33,000. We actually want to look at the last, I guess we can just look at the last 365 days right there. And you can see $9,695, almost $10,000 from this channel. And you can see just very evergreen, very steady growth, and it's just very stable. This channel makes me consistently is responsible for making me over $10,000 per month. And it's a faceless YouTube channel. When it's so funny when people tell you that you can't make money from faceless YouTube, they're just completely wrong. People say you have to be on camera and so forth. It just makes me laugh because I make more money from that than even this channel being on camera and everything. I make way more money on that other channel. Okay. So those were like my big income streams. And then we look at other income. I sell coaching calls for $150 per hour. And then I sell my own courses, which made me about $5,000 in 2024. I didn't focus on that in 2024, but I am focusing on creating a lot more courses, launching them on Warrior Plus this year. And I'm hoping to just have some really big launches and full scale that. I have a goal of making $100,000 between JVZoo, Warrior Plus as an affiliate and vendor. Putting all that together, I want to make $100,000 just from that ecosystem alone. And then on top of that, you already got your $10,000 you're making from your Faceless YouTube channel. So I should be able to hit my goal of $200,000 in commissions in 2025 into my business and hit that first $200,000 mark for the first time, right? That's been a goal of mine the last couple of years and I haven't hit it. This year is going to be that breakout year. I am going to reach my goal and hit that goal. So what is your goal for 2025 in your business? Are you getting the results in your business that you want? Or do you feel like you are buying every little shiny object that hits the market every single day? You're pivoting every week on new business ventures, new business ideas. And then at the end of the day, you don't really have a whole lot to show for it because you're out there trying everybody else's journey. And I got to be honest with you, I was there. And it actually becomes very tiresome, right? You actually get tired, overwhelmed. It leads to depression, all kinds of stuff because you're like, I'm trying so hard. I'm buying this product. I tried this, that didn't work. I tried that. It made me $20, but it just didn't feel right. Or I put a lot of effort into it to make $10. No, that's not a strategy for me. If you want to finally just pick something that I can tell you will work if you stick with it long enough to actually start gaining results, then that is what I can offer in the Six Figure Freedom Club. So click that link below. Go check it out. It's just $27 to enter. You get multiple courses, multiple case studies. You get the online community. You get access to me. There's 3 calls per month. It just doesn't get any better than that. I sell courses for more than $27. So I'm giving everything away for as cheap as I possibly can, $27. Go join today. I hope to see you as our next member in the Six Figure Freedom Club. What are your income streams? Leave them below. What are your goals? Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.